everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Baby Clothing KonMari. So Colton is 10 months old today and he is obviously grown out of a ton of clothes. He's wearing anywhere from like a 6 to 12, kind of at the end of that, and then 12 to 18 is kind of what he's moving into. So for the last 10 months, every time he grew out of something, I've been throwing them into just different bins so that at some point I could sit down and go through everything and decide what I want to keep and what I want to sell. So what I've done is got together all of his stuff that he doesn't fit into anymore. This also includes like socks and like shoes and things like that, like hats, all the stuff that doesn't fit him anymore, that we don't use anymore, I've put into these bins, so they have to be gone through. So I have two boxes, one for keep and one for sell. So keep would obviously be if we ever had another baby, I don't know about that, or just because it's like something sentimental, like I don't know, the outfit that he wore to come home, things like that. So I have two boxes for that. The box for sell, we have here in Canada, we also have Once Upon a Child. I believe that's in the States as well. So I will take some stuff there or try and sell it to like friends or on Facebook or whatever. And then I'm also just gonna make a pile. I have two friends that are pregnant right now. One is having a girl, one is having a boy, so anything kind of extra I will hand off to the girl that's having a boy, and then if it's anything unisex, the one that's having a girl can have it. They're actually sisters, so they can fight over it. So yeah, so that is the plan for today. If you guys want to see me go through all of Colton's clothes, then keep on watching. Alright, so I am done. This is the box of stuff that I'm either going to sell or give away to my friends. And then this is so far the box of stuff we're going to keep. Obviously he has still some baby clothes that I will add into there that I really like, and then everything else obviously will be donated or sold or whatever. Alright, hey everyone, it is a different day, but we are back and we're going to finish up the kind of KonMari organization of Colton's clothes. So he is in his room with me now. He wasn't with obviously in the other clip. So all the clothes that I did in that part of the video were obviously all the things that don't fit him anymore. Now I kind of did this a little backwards, but I didn't really have time to do what I need to do now. I'm gonna go through his dresser and his closet and take out anything that either I know he isn't wearing, doesn't really work with the season, or obviously does not fit him anymore, and then those will go into those boxes as well. But I'm gonna do that now. You guys are so far away from me because, like I said, Colton is with me, and you guys know that he likes to play with the tripod, so I had to put you guys in his crib so he can't get to you. So I'm gonna be over here cleaning out his dresser, and then obviously we'll show you guys everything that we do at the end. So I will show you guys what his dresser looks like now. I will leave links to his furniture down below like I always do. This is from IKEA, just like everything else in this room. So it's pretty much the same organization as before. I have all his socks. These are just some little like training underwear that my mom got him for Easter. We're keeping these in here. My mom thought they might be good even if we're not actually potty training him yet, which we won't be. But just kind of when it's super hot in the summer, if we want to have him without a diaper on for a little bit, we can put these on because they actually have this like thick liner in the front. So if he pees, it's kind of absorbent. So those are nice. And then these are his swimsuits. And then these are just some bigger socks in the back that I just keep in there so that they're ready to go when he fits in those. So next is just some bibs. We don't have much because a lot of them are downstairs. These are kind of more like the cutesy ones. So these ones from like Munching Monster Jewelry with the little chewy things on the ends. And then these are some ones that a friend of mine made, actually a lady that I work with. She made these for him. And then a few, it's like a muslin one and then some hockey ones. And then that is empty for now until we have something else to put in there. And then this is his sweatpants. So obviously we're coming into summer now, but I do have sweatpants because we go up north and stuff and it gets cool still at night here. And then these are just the onesies that we still have. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that we had like almost 100 onesies. I think it might have been over 100 onesies after the baby shower and everything. So this is all we are down to now because of sizing. So I just kind of put them into like categories. So this is like just plain white ones, and then these two striped ones. These ones are ones with pockets, so they're like kind of cuter. And then these are just a few still like graphic ones we have, so like hockey ones, a Ninja Turtles one, and then some more hockey ones. And then these are like the little like wife beater tank top style ones, so these are all just like the little onesies. So those are all in there. And then if you guys see him pulling on the drawers, we actually put like the drawer locks on them so he can't open them. Plus, of course, the dresser is attached to the wall, just in case you were wondering. Okay, watch out, I gotta open this. And then down here, this needs to be organized a little bit better, but I haven't decided on what I want to do. So this is his shorts. I just pulled these out the other day out of his closet. So these are all his shorts for the next few months. These are his pajamas. This is like a little Vancouver Canucks pajama type thing that my mom bought him. And then these are like a two-piece pajamas that I don't put on all the time, but I have them, they're cute. And then these are just a couple pairs of like dressier sort of pants. There's like a pair of jeans and then some like kind of dress pants back there, which obviously he doesn't wear often, but we have them in case he needs to wear them. And then this isn't really like clothes related, but down here is like bath stuff, so towels, beach towel, another bath towel, and then all of our what are they called, like washcloths. And then down in the bottom here is like his linens. Whoa, what are you doing? These are like his mattress protectors, sheets. Careful. Oh, and I think he just broke that. Did you just break that? I think you broke. Oh, there you go. No, he didn't break it. These are like the change table cover things. Some more change table covers. Can I have that back, please? Thank you. Then his like sleep sacks and stuff are back here, which he doesn't use, but we will eventually put those into the box of things that we're keeping, because obviously I would pass it on to my sister or something when she ever has a baby. And then there's I think that's like a pack and play sheet back there. Can I close this, please? Okay, let's close it. There you go. All right, so you guys have seen this, it's all a mess. And then his closet is a total disaster right now because we are kind of ramping up for his birthday, so we have some of his like birthday decorations and stuff going on in here. This is a tote of decor that has to go up in his room at some point. But for clothes, these are his like hanging clothes. So I do have like a couple sports jerseys that this one especially is too small for him. This one is on like the brink of being too small for him, but I do have those hanging here. This one I just don't want to pack away because it's so cute and it came all the way from Scotland from my family over there. So I am leaving that hung up. And then these are all obviously by size order, so this kind of stuff here fits him now. This is he's starting to fit into, and then it gets bigger from there. There's his like Halloween costume, and then these are all like really big sports jerseys that he'll eventually grow into, that either were like mine and Kenny's or people have bought them for us or whatever. So that's the organization of the closet. And then we still have the totes over here. So what we do is like we buy our diapers at Costco, so we have like tons of diapers, and I just throw those on top of the totes. And then the totes are all from, I believe, Walmart. They were like $5 or $6 or something. And so when he was tiny, we had all of his like larger clothes in the totes, but obviously he's way bigger now, so we are like coming down to not having like a huge stockpile of clothes for him. So this one is the only one left of like bigger clothes. So this is, I think, like 24 months and up, something like that, 18 to 24, something like that. So yeah, I think it'd be like 18 to 24 and then up from there, because there is some like 2T and 3T stuff in there that I've got like really cheap. So that is all in there. This one's empty, this one's empty, and then this is kind of like memorabilia kind of thing. So there's like some little flags from his first Canada Day. I think like one of each of his like diapers. I thought that'd be cute to keep. Just some things like that in there. And then down here, again, this is a total mess, please ignore it, but there's like some extra diaper bag stuff, the little change pads and stuff. And then this is also some like linens and things that I know we're not going to use that don't match the room, so I'm going to pass those on to my friend that is having a baby as well. So, oh, and I'm walking into things. So that is his closet. It's a little bit of a mess, but yeah, that is it for our little clothes organization of Colton's room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. He's over here playing with a hockey stick. Probably not the safest thing ever. I hope you guys enjoyed our video today, and we will see you guys in our next video. Be sure to hit that like button if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button if you want to keep on seeing videos from us, and we will see you guys in our next video. Thanks so much for watching. Say bye. Say bye. Colty, say bye. He doesn't want to say bye. Thanks, guys.